everyone, it's me and Harad. Today, in this video, we'll be unboxing March's The Vegan Kind Lifestyle Box. I can't believe it's already March, can you, Mum?
I can't, but I'm really looking forward to seeing what's inside.
Me too, I can't wait. Come on, let's go find out what's inside together. Think so.
Move the paperwork. Okay.
That one.
This is P-Pops.
Ooh.
Chili and lime flavour.
They sound lovely. There you go, Mum.
Ooh. Oh, we've had one of these before. Only plant-based sour cream.
Ooh.
It's a different flavour. Wasn't it a ranch one we had before?
I think so.
Ooh, we enjoyed it though.
We really did. That one. Oh.
That is some vegans.
Ooh.
Gummy vitamins.
That's really good. They're really handy, aren't they?
They are.
Here you go.
I think also this one. And then you can pick everything else out if you want in a minute.
Thank you.
Ooh, this is Misfits plant-powered protein bar. Chocolate. Ooh, that sounds really lovely.
It really does. Tell Mum.
Oh, some Oggs Millionaire Bites.
Oh. Here you go, Mum.
Oh. Love Raw Buttercups.
Oh.
These ones are white chocolate peanuts butter. Ooh. Oh, they sound good.
They do.
Don't forget you have to share.
I will.
Oh, thingies. We had a packet of these before.
We did. They were lovely.
This is the salt and vinegar flavour.
Oh, wasn't it the cheese thingies we had
I think
before?
it was cheese thingies, wasn't it?
They were really tasty.
They were.
That one.
Oh, this is Brave roasted chickpeas, cookies and cream.
Ooh. That's it, Mum.
That's it.
All ready for Fudge.
It's all ready for Fudge to have his treats. We'll have to decide what treats we're going to give him this time.
I can't wait to decide that. And also, wash our hands and then maybe try something.
Do you know what you want to try?
I'm not sure yet, Mum. Can you choose?
Of course I will. Okay. I thought you could try the P-Pops chili and lime flavour. Okay.
Ooh, I love the smell.
Lovely.
They really do.
Oh, a lovely hint of chili.
It's really, really lovely. And then the slight hint of the lime too. And it all goes so well together. They're really nice and crunchy too, aren't they?
Oh, they are. Do you have another one?
I thought I'd show you this month's picture from the calendar that we got in January's box. Do you like it, Mum?
I do. I think it's a lovely picture.
If you haven't seen the video, we'll link it up there.
I thought we could try something else.
Yes, please.
I thought we could try the Brave roasted chickpeas, cookies and cream.
They do sound lovely, don't they?
They do.
Well, they smell lovely too.
They did when I opened them. You ready? They're really good.
It's a lovely creamy flavour.
That was the white one. Shall I get you one of the other colours?
Yes, please. I wonder if that was chocolatey flavoured.
Oh, there is a lovely difference.
Mmm, it's so lovely and chocolatey. Here is everything that we're going to put in Fudge's lifestyle box for this month. His favourite hay, the rest of his forage from Bun Box, some pea flakes and 2 blueberries and a couple of treats from Bunny Side Up. I really hope that Fudge enjoys it. You enjoying that, Fudge? I'm just about to try the thingies salt and vinegar flavour. They smell amazing, don't they, Mum?
It smelled so good when I opened the packet.
My taste buds are tingling now. Here you go, Mum.
Thank you. Mm.
Mmm. There's so much wonderful flavours, aren't there, Mum?
They're a really lovely flavour of salt and vinegar, aren't they?
They're really, really lovely.
And they melt so lovely in your mouth as well.
They are, they're really lovely and soft.
I think I'll have another one as well then.
Mmm. That lovely crunch at the beginning.
I thought that we could try one of the Oggs Millen Air Bites.
Yes, please.
Here we go.
And you, Mum?
Oh yes, I think I'll have one as well.
How does it look?
It looks really good.
Hot smell. You ready, Mum?
I am.
Mmm. Wow. The flavours go so well together. The layers are wonderful, aren't they?
They really are.
And then if you taste the chocolate at the top as well. All the flavours combined are wonderful, aren't they?
They really are. I've got some more for another day. I thought now you could try one of the Love Raw Peanut Buttercups white chocolate.
Whoa.
They look so good.
They smell amazing too.
They really do.
Wow! The combination is amazing. You really wouldn't think that white chocolate and peanut butter would go so well together. It's so delicious.
Thought for an extra treat you could try the Misfits bar.
Thank you. That smells amazing, doesn't it?
It does.
Let's look.
It looks really good. Oh, that's a good idea, breaking it.
Ooh. It smells wonderful, doesn't it?
It does.
Mmm. It's really, really lovely. I love the flavours so much. The chocolate goes so well with all of the lovely flavours inside the bar. It's lovely. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me so much. And if you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when I post a new video. I love to hear from you in the comments. This time I'd love so much to know if you have tried any of the products from this month's lifestyle box. There were quite a few. We haven't tried what they're, Mum.
There's still a few we've not tried yet. Looking forward to that.
Me too. They were all so lovely too, the ones we've tried.
And I'm really looking forward to seeing what we have next month as well.
Me too. We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care.